Are you suffering from stomach issues? Do you want to keep your stomach healthy? If yes, then this video is for you. It is evident that diets directly impact our guts, an additional digestive body part. Remember that your standard of living, as well as your selection of foods, can disturb the mode your body digests the diets you consume. Consume a healthy diet. Ingest foods full of fiber like vegetables, whole grains, fruits, or cereals. Fiber inspires a way of material over the digestive system plus offers the right constancy and majority to stools. Preferably you must eat no less than 30 grams of fiber each day because a stable food that is ironic in fiber possibly will decrease the danger of occurring diverticular disease, colorectal cancer, or heart disease. Also eat fruits such as strawberries, avocados, mangoes, and dry fruits like prunes and raisins as they offer the obligatory fiber plus support to keep the stomach clean as well as fit. Intake of probiotics. If you have stomach ulcers and you are taking pills, then it is very necessary for you to take probiotics like yogurt and kefir on the regular basis. For example, stress, antibiotics, lack of sleep, illness, poor diet, and aging selections can every so often lead to the unevenness of your gastric tract microorganisms. Probiotics play a crucial role to keep up the equilibrium of good microorganisms in the gastric tract. Drink lots of water. You have to drink plenty of water every day to keep your system strong. At what time your urine is pure and unscented, then it is a symbol that you are acquiring sufficient water. Drinking water benefits softening certain nutrients and inspires a way of waste over the gastrointestinal system as well as supports to relax stools. Avoid smoking. You need to know that smoking lets down the force at the connection in the middle of the esophagus and stomach, encouraging backflow of abdominal acid into the esophagus or reflux that can outcome in stomachache and extra difficulties. Smoking similarly worsens peptic ulcers as well as inflammatory circumstances of the bowel and is related to an enlarged danger of many diseases. Consume frequent meals. Have small and frequent meals all over the day to retain your blood sugar balanced, metabolism accelerated up, plus vitality active. It also benefits you to evade feeling insatiable on your following meal, which in order can lead to consuming greater helpings of high-fat diets which break your absorption. Exercise. Regular workout support to make a fit gastric atmosphere by allowing food to transfer over the large intestine far earlier, which also reduces the quantity of water going into the stool. Consistent cardiac exercise supports toughening the muscles of the stomach besides decreasing lethargy by motivating the stomach muscles to shove digestive fillings over your system. Avoid junk food. Junk food has little fiber or nutrition and frequently covers big quantities of saturated fats, additives, and salt, which is harmful to the body and especially your stomach as it gets strained. So, avoid eating chips, burgers, donuts, pizzas, etc.